Hey there! Today, we're taking a look at your subscriber list in Visp. This is where you can manage all your customers, from paid-up subscribers to those who might be a little behind on their payments. As you can see, your subscribers list looks a bit like a spreadsheet. You've got rows and columns, each column representing a specific piece of information. At the top, you'll find some handy status buttons. You can filter your list to show only paid-up, due, past due, suspended, hibernated subscribers or prospects. You can even view archive subscribers by clicking the arrow next to the Prospects button. Now, let's talk about the little hamburger menu on the leftmost column. Click on it and you'll see some useful options. Sync subscribers. This ensures that your subscriber data is up to date. Choose columns. Customize the columns you want to see in your table. Inline editing. Quickly edit certain fields directly in the table. Mass message. Send a message to multiple subscribers at once. Mapping tool. Visualize your subscribers on a map. Export to CSV. Download your subscriber data as a CSV file. You can also customize the layout of your table by dragging and dropping columns to your preferred order. Need to find a specific subscriber? Use the search bar at the top. You can search by name, email, phone number, or any other relevant information. Want to get more specific? Click the filter icon to create custom filters. You can filter by status, payment date, service plan, or any other criteria. That's a quick overview of your subscribers list. By mastering this tool, you can efficiently manage your customer base and keep track of important information. If you have any questions or need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to your client success team.